$99, and you get $12 on your core. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute here, and I'll get the battery for you. Okay, sir, here's your receipt. All I need is a signature.
Yeah, see, I called and said that somebody, there must be one back.
Okay, now we're going to remove the battery of the Chevy 2007 Avalanche pickup. First, we have to remove this cover. Okay, so now we have to take off the negative terminal of the battery. It is important that we take off the negative first, and so that no explosions or sparks happen. We must not let it touch any other metal, the screw or whatever you're using. To not touch any metal while we're doing this. Next, we need to remove the positive terminal. By doing so, you lift up the red flap and start unscrewing this screw right here. Once again, make sure it touches no metal. Okay, so to take the actual battery out, there's a racket bolt right back here that you need to remove. So now we have taken out the old battery and put in the new battery and put it back into place. So now we need to reattach the positive and negative terminals. So this time, since we did negative first last time, we have to reverse the order and do positive first. So we can just slip it on and tighten the bolt. Now that we have installed the battery and plugged in both of the terminals, let's see if it works. Looks like it did.